Premier Inn A23 Airport Way. It's not the one directly opposite the terminal. It's slightly further out near the Shell garage, if anyone knows Gatwick quite well. I'm heading up to my room. I'm 352, I think it is. So always am the furthest room away. Always happens. I was the same in the block last year. It was literally top floor right at the end. Bit of a pain. 3-4. We're nearly there. Let's go and check out the room here at Premier Inn Airport Way. Okay, wow, this is a big old Premier Inn room. Wow. Okay, I have to say I'm very surprised by the size of this room. It's absolutely massive. Big bed, chair in the corner, a huge corner there with nothing even in it, desk here, and a decent size bathroom as well. Okay. Hello everyone. Hello. This is a very, very decent size Premier Inn room. So I am now just heading down to the reception to meet Jane and Tom, Team O'Sullivan. Gonna head over to the terminal, check in with Virgin Atlantic, then go and meet Sean and Caroline, and I believe Jason, over at Nicholas Culpeper. So I'll take you down. Head around here, down to where the other Premier Inn is. Yeah. It's Jane and Tom, Team O'Sullivan. Here we are, Virgin Twilight check-in. So that's Twilight check-in all done at Virgin. Now we can head to the Nicholas Culpeper. Hello, strangers.
Oh. I feel like I'm being packed.
Caroline.
What time do we last?
So I've got a beef burger.
It's a vlog on the other side. It's a vlog off, look.
Vlog.
Yes, not on the other side, like with the shadow.
I don't know what.
On the other side of the pond.
The other side of the pond. There's a few really going on.
Not like the other side as in.
99. So I'm now back in the Premier Inn after a fantastic evening at the Nicholas Culpeper with Jane and Tom, Sean and Caroline, and Jason. Just spent the last like half an hour chatting to Jane and Tom. Which way I am going? Spent the last half an hour or so downstairs at the bar downstairs. Trying to catch up with Jane and Tom. Nice to see everyone, and I'm going to meet them downstairs tomorrow morning, 6:30, and we're going to head over to the terminal and go to the lounge. So it's only fair we've got to do the bed test, haven't we? Hey, I didn't fall off! Ha! So that's going to do it for this part of the vlog. I'm going to hit the hay in a sec. I'm tired, and I'm going to be up at 5:30 tomorrow morning. So, thank you for watching today. Hope you have enjoyed the little bit of pre-travel day that you've seen. Tomorrow, travel day, we're going to Florida, folks. Can't wait. Looking forward to it. I'll see you in the morning. Night, night.
Early the next morning.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to travel day. I can't believe it's finally here. I'm off to Florida. So that's me all done with my room here at the Premier Inn. Pretty decent stay, nothing really to complain about. The only two things. Firstly, got a light that doesn't work. And secondly, as much as I say that it's good having the USB ports, there's no normal plug sockets on either side. So when I wanted to use my laptop while sitting on the bed yesterday, I couldn't because there was no plug socket nearby. A little bit of a pain, but USB sockets are definitely a win. I just wish they could have both, really. But anyway, I'm going to head down to the reception in a moment, go and see Jane and Tom. We're going to head over to the terminal, and then we'll go through security and I'll catch up with you probably just before we get to the security, and then we're going to go to the #1 lounge. So I'll see you shortly. Here we are. So we're through security, through duty free, and now we're going to head down to the #1 lounge. Go and check in there, grab some breakfast. I'm very hungry. Hello. Right, heading to the #1 lounge, find a seat, and yeah, get some food because I'm hungry. So, oh. Food! Food! Glorious food! Yeah, exactly. Looks like it.
It's one
What word?
The only one I can think of one word is Barbarella.
It is, yeah. So that's it, we're heading out of the #1 lounge and we're going to go down to gate 566 for the flight. So I'll catch up with you when we get to the gate. Heading over to the gate, of course it's on the other side of the airport, always is. So the #1 lounge was great as always. Big thanks to Jane and Tom. They very kindly paid for my #1 lounge. So thank you guys. That is our vehicle of choice today. Is Barbarella. So additional SSSS security checks done. Nice and easy, just swapping a few bits. And now we're gonna head down and jump on the plane. Can't wait. We're going on our flight.
Prepare the doors for departure and cross-check, remove IDs and check off all toilets.
Not great food options today. I'll probably go for the chicken, but it's not great.
We've made some good progress. We're currently out at 38,000 feet, and in around about 5, 6, 7 minutes we'll be beginning our descent into Orlando itself.
So I'm through security. That took an hour and a half of waiting around, queuing and queuing. Why does it always take so long? Anyway, I'm waiting for the tram now. Flight was okay. The entertainment system went down about 3 hours before the end of the flight, which is a bit of a pain in the backside. Couldn't watch anything, couldn't find out our ETA or anything like that. Yeah. at least we're here now. That's the main thing. We're going to hop aboard the tram over to the other terminal, and then we're going to get the Magical Express to Pop Century. So now it's the long old walk down to the end, the Magical Express. Hopefully there'll be a Magical Express waiting there for me. It is, what time is it? 20 to 5. Hopefully get to the part where you're like 6, half 6. Head to the Magic Kingdom, go meet Paul and Cheryl, Carl and Beth, and Matt and Natalie. Going to watch Happily Ever After tonight, so looking forward to it. Right, here we are, Magical Express. Let's go and find one of these lovely people to check us in. And we're going to head to Pop Century. Here we are, line number 9. Heading to the Magical Express. Let's go. We're at Disney.
Alright, everybody, good afternoon. You guys ready to have a magical vacation? Who's ready?
Yay!
Alright, that's good, and thank you for your patience and welcome aboard Disney Magical Express.
And we have made it. In we go to Pop Century. I've already checked it online on my app. I do need to go and pick up my Magic Band, so I'm going to jump in the queue, pick up my Magic Band, and also opt out of mousekeeping in, get that gift card. So yeah, let's go and sort that out, and I'll go over tomorrow. So you've got all the different years along the walls here. All the way up from the 1950s, and we get all the way down to what looks like the 1990s at the end there. And this is the chicken area. So that's me all checked in. Gonna head out to my room now. Opted out of mouse, giving a $110 gift card for me. So yeah, let's go and check out the room, see what it's like. So now I am in the 60 section in Mowgli and Blue. The lifts are just behind it. I'm on level 3, so I'm near the top. Not quite at the top, but nearly. Okay. Oh, it looks. Oh, I've got a waterfront view. Yes. 5-3. Here we are, 5332. Mickey to Mickey. Oh wow. Wow. This is awesome. And of course, Walt Disney World today on the TV, of course there is. So, it is 6 o'clock. I'm going to dump all my stuff, quickly get changed, freshen up, head down to the Magic Kingdom, go meet Paul Cheryl, Matt and Natalie, who else? Carl and Beth. And I don't know who else to turn up, we'll see. Let's quickly get changed and I will be back on the road very shortly.
Hello, Future Nathan here, just editing this vlog and realised I didn't do a transition from my entry into the room and then the room tour I filmed a little bit later on in the day after I got back from Magic Kingdom. So, coming up will be the room tour, very brief room tour of my room from Pop Century. Overall I was very, very impressed with the room. And yeah, I'll leave you with the room tour, and then the next vlog will be up on Sunday, and that will be my evening at the Magic Kingdom. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I shall see you real soon.
So I'm just standing by the door here. As you come in, you've got coffee making facilities just here, some cups, an ice bucket, in-room delivery service, a little mini bar down the bottom there, luggage rack, always handy. Recycling bins, haven't noticed that in any of the other resorts, so that's pretty good. We've got this massive cabinet here. We've got what we've got in here, pillows. Ah, the safe is in there. That looks a pretty decent sized safe, I would say. That can fit my laptop or anything like that in, which will be good. You've got a massive TV. You can see my reflection. Hello. We've got a very decent bathroom with a mirror. Hello again, I'm a hot sweaty mess after light. Hot sweaty mess after the Magic Kingdom, but it was good. So we've got a large sink with some washcloths there and some towels, spare toilet paper and facial tissues, a little cupboard with a hairdryer and an iron in it, ironing board, hanging space right here, got quite a few hangers on it, and some room down the bottom here. We've got toilet, bath, decent size, nice and plain simple, and some Disney H2O products. On the wall there, what we've got: revitalising conditioner, revitalising shampoo, and some body wash. Shame they're in the bottles, won't get taken home this time, but I can see where they do it. Gotta save plastics. Got towels, more towels, I've already used that one. And then a very decent sized bed right here, with a Mickey mural on the top. I don't know why that light's not working, but it doesn't matter. There's a table with a pull down bed, so you can put it down. I don't know. Should we have a look? Ooh, I will have a look. I'll put in a clip in a minute of that pull down to see what's behind it. I'm sure there's probably a mural or something on it. Big table, massive bed with way too many pillows. I don't quite know why I need so many, but apparently I need 8 pillows just for me. So yeah, it's a very decent modern room, very nice. Massive TV, I can't get over how big that TV is. It's way too big for the room, but I'm not complaining. And then this is a very good thing they put in. Outlets, but with USB sockets. Now any of you who are vloggers will know how much you rely on USB charging. Basically everything's USB powered now. So that is really handy to have, what is it, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 USB sockets on the walls that I know about. I'm sure there probably is more around somewhere. In fact, no, there's none there. So yeah, 12 USB sockets, plus all your outlets all around the room. You've got tons of outlets. So that was a very quick room tour of this room in Pop Century. Yeah, I'm very, very impressed. It's a lot more modern than I thought it was going to be. I was expecting something a little bit old hat maybe. I don't know if that's the right word. But I know they've just refurbished all these rooms. So, ooh, wobble the camera there. So that will do it for today's vlog. If you're not already following me on our other social medias, my Twitter is @NathanStaker1 and my Instagram is @NathanStaker. So I'd love you to come along and join my adventures on those 2 platforms, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you real soon. Bye bye.